What if we did add something else to state, like an array? Like a list of acrobats. Who's an acrobat? Kindle, you an acrobat? Yep, I think so. Kindle's an acrobat. I think Stuart's an acrobat. Pretty sure Owen is an acrobat. So we've got an array now. And we want to print this array on the page. Sounds impossible. Well, what about this.state.acrobats just like that? Oh, there we go. Kindle Stewart Owen. That's something. But not quite what we wanted. What I want is a UL, and then I want an LI for each thing in that array. So it turns out, if you put like an array of JSX elements inside here, it'll render them all. So you can put any JavaScript expression inside curly braces here, as we learned when we did this, right? So what if inside curly braces, I could call a function on an array that would do something to each item in that array, and that would return us a new array full of the result of that thing. So I want to loop over an array and collect return values of some inner function. What if there's a function that let us do that? Map. There is. And it's not even a React thing. That's just built right into JavaScript. How convenient. So we have this.state.acrobats.map. Map takes a callback, right? A function. And it will receive, the inner function will receive as its argument each item from the array. So acrobat. And with arrow functions, if you only have one argument, you can omit the parentheses. And then I just want to return some JSX that has that acrobat in it. So like li acrobat. Like that. Well, would you look at that? Totally works. Just like that. So another thing I don't think I pointed out before, this is really short for all that. But it turns out with arrow functions, if it's just one line, you don't need the curly braces. And if it's one line, it will automatically return whatever's on that line, so you don't need the word return either. So you get really short syntax for stuff like this. And again, that's just an ES6 thing. That's not specific to React at all. That is the water bottle I need. Wow. I've been through so many of these things today. So that's that. So you can use map in the middle of your JSX to do something like that. Cool?